So dear learner, we now move on to look at 11.2, legal and ethical issues, legal risks, and management in consulting firms. So consulting firms, dear learner, are inherently exposed to a variety of legal risks. These risks can stem from contract disputes, intellectual property issues, negligence, or regulatory violations. Effective risk management is crucial to protect the firm's reputation, financial stability, and operational continuity. And there are some key legal risks and strategies for management of consulting firms, and some of the common risks we can have a look at. So common legal risks. So some key legal risks and strategies for their implementation. We are going to look at 1, contract disputes, 2, intellectual property infringement, 3, negligence and professional liability, 4, data privacy and security, and 5, regulatory compliance under common legal risks. So number 1, contract disputes. So what is the risk? Misunderstandings, breaches of contract, or disputes over payment terms. How can this be managed? So clear and concise contracts with well-defined terms and conditions, regular review and update of contracts, and effective communication and dispute resolution mechanisms. The second legal risks is intellectual property infringement. The risk is unauthorized use of copyrighted materials, trademarks, or trade secrets. How can this be managed? This can be managed through strong intellectual property protection measures, including patents, trademarks, and copyrights, clear intellectual property ownership policies, and regular intellectual property audits and reviews. Third, negligence and professional liability. What is the risk? Providing substandard services or failing to meet professional standards. How can this risk be managed? Robust quality control processes, professional liability insurance, and regular training and development for consultants. Fourth, data privacy and security. What is the risk? Data breaches, unauthorized access, or loss of client data. How can this be managed? This can be managed through strong data security measures, including encryption and access controls, regular security audits, and vulnerability assessments, data privacy consultants with relevant regulations, for example, GDPR and CCPA. Fifth, regulatory compliance. What is the risk? Non-compliance with industry regulations, tax laws, or employment laws. How can this be managed? Stay updated on relevant regulations and industry standards, implement robust compliance programs, and seek legal advice to ensure compliance. So, dear learner, we have looked at the various legal risks and how they can be managed in consulting firms, starting with number 1, contract disputes, 2, intellectual property infringement, 3, negligence and professional liability, 4, data privacy and security, and 5, regulatory compliance.